Dear friends, the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, has made a surprise visit to Gurdwara in New Delhi so as to make tributes to the late Guru Tegh Bahadur, the ninth Sikh Guru of Sikh religion. There have been unprecedented agitations going on in Delhi borders. Lakhs and lakhs of farmers have been agitating for the last 25 days. The Prime Minister of India is making a visit to the Gurdwara so as to make prayers and respect to the Guru Tegh Bahadur of the ninth Sikh religious Guru. During the visit of the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, a sermon was made in the Gurdwara. The first message is that you may be a religious person and attend prayer meetings and do service, but there must be changes in your thinking that so as to help the society in a better way. The second message is that even after reading religious scriptures, if you don't work for the welfare of the humanity, if you won't worship humanity, then remember when your end comes, where will you go? That was the second message given in the sermon in the Gurdwara. Both the messages have been directly and indirectly referred to the attitude of the Prime Minister of India. Instead of attending the issues concerning the larger sections of the farming community, he is doing prayers and respect to the Sikh Guru. This is the message given by the sermon. The sum and total of the entire sermon is that the Prime Minister of India is not doing his duties as a constitutional executive of the country. Our point herein is that after attending the Gurdwara, he should have made a visit to the agitating swords of the farmers in Delhi borders and have a dialogue with the farmers unions. And another thing is that on the same day, in 90,000 venues throughout the length and breadth of the country, more than 50 lakhs of farmers have participated in the ceremony of giving respect to the martyrs of the farmers who have laid their precious lives in the agitations. Nearly about 40 farmers who have lost their precious lives. It is also a point for our consideration. The last Saturday, the Home Minister Amit Shah has made a scheduled visit through the West Bengal state due to his election duties, and he has made a visit to Midnapur district and had a lunch with the farmer of Sikh community. That is the thing that has been portrayed in the newspapers. The point herein is that so as to attract the Sikh community in this way, both the Prime Minister and Home Minister have made some sorts of arrangements. Our point is that all these things must be done with the larger interest of addressing the issues that have been confronting the farmers in Delhi and which has been extended to the whole part of India. It is not confined only to North India, but it has reached even South India and far eastern states and western states. The whole country is under fire. Our point is that the Home Minister is making the election campaign during this pandemic situation, but not prepared to hold this winter session, citing the pandemic situation. The demand of the farmer is this: hold the parliament session, winter session, and repeal all the three laws and reenact the laws which are suitable to the interest of the farmers and the country. Hence, we request the Prime Minister of India and the Home Minister, instead of doing some other things which are unconnected with the public issues, they should directly engage with the farmers unions and discuss things with them, and convene a special session of parliament so as to settle the issues amicably and democratically. That must be the message from the Prime Minister and Home Minister. Thank you so much.